What's the meaning of courteous? Courteous. Courteous.
Courteous. Courteous. Courteous means displaying good manners and politeness towards others. It involves showing respect and consideration for people's feelings and needs. A courteous person is typically kind, gracious, and accommodating in their interactions with others. They speak politely, use appropriate language, and avoid offending or disrespecting others. Courteous behavior can contribute to positive communication and social harmony, making it an important quality in personal and professional relationships. Overall, being courteous is an essential element of being a thoughtful and respectful individual.